Greenland Nagaland bra air conditioned electric green vehicle World Tourism Day laga occasion nampra 27th September 2024 Circuit House Dimapur te launch cruise. MLA and advisor for food and civil supply, legal meteorology and consumer protection ke Tolkoha Khalupara program te special guest aishe. Tai laga address te state bitor sustainable tourism practices laga lagi thaka upor emphasize cruise. Aro kinika eco friendly transportation ajikali lagi ase etu upor bi kotha cruise. Sukalupara Nagaland laga environmental consciousness upor emphasize cruise. Aro citizens aro organizations ki state laga natural beauty ke preserve kurubole active role play kurubi koigena urge cruise. Idu logot Investment and Development Authority of Nagaland para Hornbill Festival de tourist khan ki transport kurubole buses kinibi koigena propose cruise. Sukalupara Greenland Nagaland para State Tourism Department logot miligena itu initiate laga part green buses introduce kurubole recommend cruise. Dr. Longri Jamir, President of Greenland Nagaland para presidential address dia humoi state laga first tourist bus launch kurigena Nagaland ke leading green tourism destination nimite promotes kurubole emphasize cruise.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.